loss number 298 remains in effect until 9 p.m. This includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, DeKalb, Scrubby, Henry, Ames, Kendall, LaSalle, Reed, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Winnebago, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Green, Rock, and Millwork. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. And
$5 hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Sighting entries. Locations impacted include Rochelle, Ashton, Hillcrest, Stewart, and Creston. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Just on the far northern edge of it. It's tiny.
Illinois State Park, Illinois Valley Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northern Kendall and southeastern Kane counties until 5:45 p.m. Streams and drainages: Little Rock Creek and Little Indian Creek. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern LaSalle and southern Kendall counties will expire at 6 o'clock p.m. or 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The line of storms which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.